My next guest says this market pullback lately has created an attractive entry point for some stocks and sectors poised for a breakout. Let's welcome in David Katz. He's Chief Investment Officer at Matrix Asset Advisors. I doubt Bed Bath is one of your names, David.
Happily, it is not.
What do you look at in this environment and think this is the breakout time? And, I would maybe kind of pick up on yesterday where, we spoke with people who think rates are going up and the economy is going to hang in there, but had very different ways to play it. There's sort of one group who's looking more at the energy and commodity space and another group looking more at financials and industrials. And I'm curious where you would be.
Well, we think the key to success now is to take a longer term time horizon. There have been 34 corrections of greater than 5% since 1993. And the critical point is on 31 of them, which were the lighter corrections, you fully got back to your highs within 2 or 3 months. So we think that's going to be the case this time. And what that means is you want to be buying into days like today. We think it's a very good opportunity. And we think there are a lot of places in the market that represent very good opportunity over the next 6 to 12 months. Industrials have been beaten up on those supply issues. We think there are lots of opportunities in there. A company like FedEx has just been maimed over the last month. And what you're hearing in the last few days is many companies are having the same problems that FedEx is having. They were just penalized the worst because they were the first ones to have it. It's at 11 times earnings. Rest assured, they will get their act together, and there's tremendous demand. That's the type of thing we'd look at.
Sure, and I'm glad you mentioned FedEx because it's really emblematic of what's going on right now, a company that you think would be benefiting more than any from so many of the trends in the economy and yet is suffering. So do you think the suffering is unwarranted, or is it just that they're going to sort things out 2022, maybe think we turn a corner here? And how much of a read-through are they to other parts of the economy? It's not dissimilar, some of the issues and challenges they're facing with a company like Bed Bath and so many others. The whole sub-theme of the show today is about supply chain problems.
Right. So they're facing the exact same issues. They were just the first ones to face it. We think that they have some of the best logistics in the world. They have labor shortages. We think that that is going to be corrected. But the key is you're getting it at 11 times earnings. So companies can have disappointments, but when they're at 11 times earnings, we like to look beyond the current disappointment, look at them on a long term. They will get their act together, whether it's in the next 6 months or 9 months. It's going to happen. And this stock easily should be at 15 or 16 times earnings.